Hello everyone, so this Subaru Legacy ilikuwa na accident. Any Subaru guy atakwambia this is not a minor accident. So hivyo ndio ilikuwa inakaa ikikuja workshop. As usual, first things first, tunatoa hizo bonnet, bumper, tunatoa engine. Kwa sababu hapo kwa nose cut lazima tukate hizo part of the chassis ya body frame. Hizo zimekunjana hapo, so tunatoa engine. Then the parts that tumenunua tuna measure tuone penye tutakata the destroyed ones. That's how it's done. Once tumemark where to cut, hiyo ndo part ya nose cutting ilikuja, those are other parts na hiyo pia. So once tumemark tunaanza kukata. Tunakata precisely where we've marked. Once that is done, tunatoa. Then after cutting it, before cutting what tunamesha hivyo na body jack, tunapanua that place no zitoshane with the other left side. So this is how it looks after everything imefitiwa. These are the replaced parts. Tuna paint black first, then tunaleta bumper, then tuna fit the bonnet. Then once that's done, tunaenda bodywork sasa, checking za filler hivi. Then inaingia kwa spray booth, tunaanza kucheck primer. Hiyo ni primer sasa. Once the primer is done, tunaanza kufunika everything na gazeti to prepare it for rangi. Hapa ni undercoat ilikuwa imepigwa, tukacheck undercoat, and that's the final look once the car is painted. That's how the car looks once it's painted. So if you have any minor accident or major accident work, welcome to Soft Touch. You can see the nose cut looks brand new. So any minor or major accident job, welcome to Soft Touch Ventures Nakuru. That is the final look.